Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Jean and today I'm gonna be making tacos. So these are gonna be the ingredients that we'll be needing today. I went to Walmart earlier and I got cheese, ground beef, shredded iceberg lettuce, flour tortillas, already diced onions because the less work the better, some salsa, hot sauce, garlic powder, queso dip, cheese, and the white cheese one. Got some chips. Very simple and easy. That's how I make all my meals. Quick, easy, simple. Okay. All right. What we're gonna do first is make the ground beef. So to do that, I'm gonna put ground beef in this pan and then just season it. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil in the pan and then we'll start it up. Okay. So for oil, if I had olive oil, I would use that, but there's vegetable oil here. I'm gonna pour that into the pan. Just a little bit. That was a little difficult to open, but I finally got the onions open. And what I'm gonna do is just pour these into the pan, like so, okay? And we're gonna give that a little stir as well. Add salt and pepper and garlic powder to this as well. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit of salt. This is what it looks like. So what we're gonna do next is place 2 flour tortillas on there because it looks like it'll cook 2 at a time.